Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I'm doing Y2k inspired jewelry. If you're interested, just keep watching. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, so it's future me. Hello. I just wanted to pop up and say everything will be listed on my Depop and my Instagram. My Depop is Desiree5454 and my Instagram is Rubies5454. So yeah, if you want to buy any of these and support me, that would be nice. For the first super cute pair I made, I got these super cute little pendant things at Hobby Lobby. What you're going to want to do is open up your chain links. I decided to use about 3 of them and put it through the butterfly. Once you close it up on the butterfly, you're going to want to add the earring hook. I found it to be easier to add the chain to the butterfly first and then the earring hook last. And that's all. You're done. So for these, all you'll need is these little poof balls, which I got from Michael's or Joann's, a chain, and earring hooks. My fuzz balls came in hair ties, so I just decided to cut them out and remove them so I could make them into earrings. These were a little more complicated. I decided to use about 10 chain links and made sure they were each the same length. And then I got some thread and a needle, and I ended up threading the needle around the chain link over and over again until it was sturdy and it wouldn't fall out. So yeah, I ended up just sewing the chain link to the fuzz ball to make it stay, and then just adding the earring hook towards the other end of the chain, and boom, you got these cute ass earrings. So for this necklace, it's super easy to make. All you need is a pendant of your choice. I have this daisy one. I can't say where I got it because I found it in a bunch of my grandma's stuff. You'll also need a chain and a necklace hook. I got both of those from Hobby Lobby. Then you're going to want to measure out how long you want your necklace. And once you have your length, you're going to want to attach the necklace hook. And then you're going to want to keep your finger on that hook and find the very middle of the necklace. So that's where you're going to put your pendant. This one was super easy and it's super cute. Let me know if you guys make something else like with a little pendant. And that's it. So for the last necklace, I am using these little pendants I found also in a bunch of my grandma's stuff. So sorry I'm not using things that I could leave a link to. I was trying to do 3 on the same necklace, but I decided I liked 1 on each necklace instead. So I'm going to make 3 separate ones instead of 1 with 3 pendants on it. Basically, what I did is I got this chain from Walmart, and then I took these little circle things. I don't know what they're called, but they're little like hooks. I put one of these little circle things on one of the ends of the necklaces. That way my necklace hook had something to latch onto easier. And then I'm going to close it and just go ahead and attach the pendants using these little circle things. I don't know what they're called, and that's pretty much it. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you want. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time I upload.